Repair techniques that mechanics will never tell you. 1. If the spray nozzle is leaking, don't rush to replace it. Separate the nozzle from the hose. Remove the sealing gasket. Lever open the copper cap on top. Locate the leaking spot on the hose, cut it off, and reattach it to the pipe. 2. If the faucet keeps dripping even when closed, it's likely the valve core is loose. Pry open the top decorative cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw underneath. Remove the faucet handle. Tighten the valve core with a wrench until the dripping stops. Finally, put the components back in place, and the repair is done. 3. If the kitchen faucet is wobbly and prone to leaking over time, use an Allen wrench to loosen the side set screw. Pull out the steel pipe. Remove all the small washers on top. Wrap a few rounds of plastic bag in the groove. Put the small washers back in place. Finally, reassemble the steel pipe and set screw, and it won't leak anymore. For if the toilet tank keeps leaking, close the water valve. Empty the water from the tank. Remove the blue lid and take out the plastic mouthpiece. Use a screwdriver to unscrew it. Remove the black rubber seal and clean it thoroughly. Flush it with water. Inject water into the small hole with a syringe and put it back in place. That's how you fix it.